talking about graphology and personality studies. What it is, basically, graphology is the study of handwriting and the different ways that people write, like where you place things and the way that it's all slanted and whatever. And with personality studies, the reason why I include it in here is because it's one of the psychologically developed tests that they actually test it. Like there's the 5-factor test, there's questionnaires given out by employers to test if you're capable of doing what they want. And then it can also fall down onto the which character are you test that, like for the Harry Potter, you a Gryffindor or anything like that. The 5-factor test is given out by psychologists and employers to determine your personal qualities of, there's openness, conscientiousness, extroversion and introversion, agreeableness, and neuroticism. And there's science behind the which character are you. I mean, it all tests what personality you are based on the answers that you choose. And with graphology studies, it's all aspects of handwriting, like the slanting of your words or the letters, the placement of the tilde, which is the dot, above the J and the I. And it's also that the studier can, through all this, you can also determine illnesses or pregnancy 2 days after conception, I believe. And so through all of this, you can determine those. But there are problems that arise with this. There's only a few with the personality test, like people lie because they know what their employers want, and they can get inconsistent results or false results. But with graphology, there's more problems that arise with it. They neglect the obvious everyday effects, like your mood, the amount of time given that you need to write, any physical dilemmas like pain in your hand or something else, and the environment that you're in. And there's no scientific way to back up an observer's prediction of illness based on handwriting. Like you can't compare somebody's handwriting to somebody else and determine like if they do have an illness or not, because everybody has different styles. And same thing with a pregnancy, like you can't determine handwriting based on with no scientific backup. So graphology is a pseudoscience